Hi there and welcome to another FlipChem video. This time I'm going to go through a GCSE past paper question on electrolysis. The question details and formats are on the screen now. Let's get started. Here's the first part of the question. This question is about electrolysis. A student investigates the mass of copper produced during electrolysis of copper chloride solution. Which gas is produced at the positive electrode, anode? When aqueous hydrolysis is carried out, we have to remember that as well as the ions in the compound, there are also H+ ions and OH- ions present. This is because some of the water molecules also dissociate. If halide ions are present, these are oxidized at the positive electrode. If other anions are present, such as nitrates, sulfates or carbonates, the hydroxide ions are oxidized at the positive electrode and oxygen gas will be produced. The chloride ions lose electrons and chlorine gas is produced in this case. Here's the next part of the question. Copper is produced at the negative electrode. What does this tell you about the reactivity of copper? Cu2+ and H+ cations are present in this case. If ions of a very reactive metal such as Na+, Zn2+, or Ca2+ are present, well, H+ ions will be reduced at the negative electrode and hydrogen gas will be produced. Copper is less reactive than hydrogen, so solid copper is produced at the cathode. Other metals that are less reactive than hydrogen include silver, gold and platinum. Here's the next part of the question. The table shows the student's results. Determine the mean mass of copper produced after 3 minutes. We cannot say with certainty what the mean mass produced after 3 minutes is from the data given in this question. It is possible to suggest a reasonable estimate though. From the table, the mean mass of copper produced each minute is about 0.60 milligrams. After 3 minutes, the mean mass of copper produced could be 1.80 milligrams. The mark scheme allowed between 1.70 and 1.90 milligrams for this question. Calculate the mass X of copper produced in experiment 2 after 5 minutes. Usually we have to work out the mean mass from a set of results. Here we are given the mean and have to work backwards. We use exactly the same formula and then rearrange to find the unknown mass. Here's the final part of the question. The copper chloride solution used in the investigation contained 300 grams per decimeter cubed of solid CuCl2 dissolved in water. The student used 50 centimeters cubed of copper chloride solution in each experiment. Calculate the mass of solid copper chloride used in each experiment. Well, we know how much was dissolved in 1 decimeter cubed because that's given to us in the question. We can convert decimeters cubed into centimeters cubed because there are 1000 centimeters cubed in a decimeter cubed. If we divide this mass by 1000, that's the mass of copper chloride in each centimeter cubed. And then if we multiply that by 50, that's going to give us the mass of the copper chloride in 50 centimeters cubed. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Comments and suggestions are always welcome. Subscribe and hit the bell for notifications. Take care and goodbye.